Antiphony, mastering advanced vocabulary for IELTS success. Imagine a grand cathedral filled with two choirs, their voices echoing back and forth in perfect harmony. This musical conversation is a prime example of our word for today, antiphony. If you're aiming for that coveted band 8.0 in IELTS, mastering sophisticated vocabulary like this can give you an edge. Let's explore antiphony and how to use it effectively. Word type. Antiphony is a noun. Its adjectival form is antiphonal, meaning antiphony refers to a style of singing or playing music where two choirs or instruments respond to each other alternately. In a broader sense, it can describe any call and response pattern, whether in music, literature, or even conversation. Word history. The term antiphony has its roots in ancient Greek. It comes from the Greek word antiphonos, which means sounding an answer or responsive. This word is composed of anti, meaning opposite or in return, and phone, meaning voice or sound. The concept of antiphonal singing dates back to ancient religious practices and has been a significant element in various musical traditions throughout history. Antonyms. While there are no direct antonyms for antiphony, some contrasting concepts include monophony, which is music with a single melodic line, and cacophony, which refers to a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. Synonyms. Some synonyms or related terms for antiphony include call and response, responsory, and alternating refrain. In a musical context, you might also encounter terms like polyphony or counterpoint, which, while not exact synonyms, describe related concepts of multiple voices or melodies interacting. Examples used in sentences. The cathedral choir performed an antiphony, with voices from opposite sides of the building answering each other in a mesmerizing display of acoustics. In her novel, the author employed literary antiphony, alternating between two narrators to create a dialogue-like structure throughout the story. The protest chants exhibited a form of social antiphony, with one group shouting a slogan and another responding, creating a powerful rhythmic effect. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing antiphony with symphony. While both are musical terms, a symphony is a long musical composition for a full orchestra, typically in multiple movements. Another error is using antiphony to describe any type of musical interaction, when it specifically refers to alternating patterns. To truly grasp the essence of antiphony, think of it as a musical or verbal dialogue. It's not just about multiple voices or sounds. It's about the back and forth, the call and response that creates a dynamic interplay. Whether in a grand musical performance, a poetic structure, or even the rhythms of everyday conversation, antiphony adds depth and engagement to communication. By understanding and using this term correctly, you demonstrate a sophisticated grasp of language that can impress in your IELTS exam and beyond.